Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to talk about my '04 Mustang. I've had it about a month now. Devin was supposed to do a walkthrough with everything done to it because he knows a little bit more than I do. But I'm going to just try to do my best for you guys of what I know and what I've done to it so far. So let's start with the exterior. So the wheels are a SVE Series 1. They are 18-inch. They're wrapped in a Michelin. The back, I believe, is a 305, if I remember right. Let's see. Oh. Yes, the back is a 305. It is a tubeless tire. Oh wait, nope. The back is a 295. I'm bad. My bad. It says it right there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but 295. I'm actually thinking about going with a 305 or 315. It does have an exhaust system on it. I believe it's a catless. It's got BBK long tube headers on it. Don't know the name of the exhaust on it. I believe it has 1.5 inch lowering springs on it. I just put in new smoke tail lights on it, and I actually have my McBride decal on here. I went with a matte black. You can barely see it, just up there with my little locally hated sticker over here. Then it's got the smoked third brake light, but I did put these on here, as you saw probably a couple videos ago. I do have another spoiler for it. It's the Cobra style. I did put a true spike antenna on it because the other one, it had a stubby antenna. It just wasn't picking up good. I don't know if this is going to do any better. I haven't had a chance to test it because I literally just put it on yesterday afternoon. It has a set of smoked headlights with a brand new set of LEDs from, I think it's LED Integrations in Burlington. I'll leave a link to them below, but they're the ones who did the ones on our truck, and they turned out amazing. I do have another set of headlights coming from it because the driver's side over here is building condensation. I noticed it when washing the car the other day, so we're just going to replace them. I don't know if it's age, what, so got that to get taken care of. Let me pop the hood and I'll show you up under the hood real quick. Alright, so the whole top end of this car has been rebuilt. It's got a air raid intake, trick flow heads, I believe. I'm not 100% sure on that one. I don't know if it's the heads or if it's just the covers. It's got a catch can. I think it's one of the ones that you just make it yourself for the car. It's got the braces supports. I believe it's also braced underneath. It's got 373 gears. I'm pretty sure it's got bigger injectors and a bigger fuel pump. It's pretty much, the reason I chose this car is because it's ready for some boost. I haven't done that yet. We're talking about what we're going to do. I'm leaning more towards Pro Charger because I do like the look of the braces on these and how much stability it gives the car. So I think a nice Pro Charger right here would be good. But we will see in the future what we do. We're going to finish up Becky first. The car's got right at 107,000 on it, which is pretty decent for this mileage. So I'm not going to complain. It's got a, I think it's a Hurst short throw shifter in it. I think something might be loose in it, so we're going to go in there and tighten that up here soon. We're going to change the exhaust because it does sound good. I will give it that, but it's not the McBride loud that we like here. I do want to see if they offer hood struts for these. That way I don't have to deal with the hanger because it would just be so much cleaner without that hanger right there. So let's go to the interior and I'll show you the inside. It's still pretty clean. Give me 1 second, you guys. Alright, so it still has stock interior. It's a little dirty. I apologize at the moment. The only major piece is right here. There's a tear in the seat, as you can see. It has an aftermarket radio, and there's a Just the 6 signature on the dash, which I'm probably going to end up removing, just because I used to be a big fan of him, but lately he's just gotten a little cocky with things, which I think is kind of wrong, the way he's been acting. To me, he's acting like he's better than everybody else, and that shouldn't be the case, but to each their own. So yeah, I think that's about everything. It's got aftermarket wheels, aftermarket exhaust. It's got motor work done. It's pretty much ready for boost. There's a few minor things that we're probably going to take care of. Definitely going to change up the interior. The seats are super comfy, but for somebody who's tall like Devin, he doesn't really have a lot of headroom. Being that this is one of the smaller Mustangs on the market, that's kind of why. So I'm thinking about I might actually get the same racing seats Devin has, just a different color, because I want to keep this car all black with just the chrome wheels. Thought about going with the black wheels, but I think the chrome just gives it a pop. Definitely going to probably black out the Mustang badge here. Delete the 40th anniversary ones on both sides. Then I'm going to delete the GT and the 4 on the back. Then I'm thinking about a shaved bumper. This bumper has a few little marks on the back that can either be fixed, but I'm thinking about a shaved bumper because that's one of the things that I really don't like about these Mustangs is the fact that it says Mustang on the back bumper. I think it'd be a lot cleaner with a shaved bumper on the back. And that's about it. I might do the keyhole on the other side, try to get it paint matched. I do want to get it paint corrected and ceramic coated because it is a black car. It gets dirty. I washed it and the next day it was covered in pollen, but we'll see as it comes. We got to finish Miss Becky over there first. She comes first. She's priority. Her and the truck are priority right now because she's the star of the show. And the truck's the one that's got a puller. So those are our two main focuses right now. I'm doing a little bit of stuff to this to make it mine. It's mostly cosmetic. Just because that's what I can do by myself without Devin. I'm also thinking about getting a cowl hood. But I can't remember the brand. It starts with a D. Everybody's been complaining about they're just crappy quality. And so I'm looking at maybe just getting a carbon fiber and maybe having it wrapped to match the color of the car. I might just leave to do a cross-stitch carbon fiber. I'm not sure. I've just been looking into it. So if you have a cowl hood and you like it and the quality's good, please leave a comment below letting me know what brand you have, because that's something I am interested in. This doesn't look bad with the hood scoop it's got now, but it's not my favorite. I think a cowl hood would look so menacing on this thing. But anyways, you guys, leave a comment below what you think about this, what you would do to it, what you want to see done to it, and let me know what you think. I've also thought about, instead of chrome wheels, going with a bronze. That's been a possibility, but I do really like these chrome ones. It does really stick out. It's a very clean Mustang. I didn't think when I bought it I'd get as many compliments as I have on it, being that it's an older Mustang. It's not. There are a lot of people who like this body style, but there are just as many who don't. So anyways, you guys, thanks for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hustle harder.